wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with a hit and smashing out. You already know what time it is. Jambisco gang, JR squad. You already know what time it is. We're back in the music lab, you know. I don't know where I come with today, you know. Yeah, man, we come with a truth with an artist that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah, man, who me I talk about? What am I talking about? Before me get into what I'm talking about, please take the time to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm, guys. Help me get my videos out there, help my channel grow, help us get better music, you know what I'm saying? Get more diverse crowd, so we get to listen to different genres that we don't even know exist. So it really helps the channel out if you just take the time to hit the like and subscribe button. But people, you already know what time from the title what we deal with today. Yeah, man, today we're there with an artist that's no stranger to the channel, a very young and promising dancer artist that's been burning up the road lately, just been doing crazy numbers. What I'm talking about, you know me, I talk about her. I'm talking about Jahshii. Yeah, man, tell me there with a tune from Jahshii, people. And this is not a new song. This is actually a pretty old song, but we need to review this. This song is so amazing. We need to do a review and a reaction to this one, because I'm talking about Born Fighter by Jahshii. Yeah, this song called Born Fighter or Born Fighter. And we're going to check it out and see where we're going, because I'm telling you, this is a really dope track. Jahshii, really talented. He went in on this track, and there's no way. I wanted to do this one just in case for people that are not familiar with Jahshii and not familiar with this song, to be able to get a chance, you know, get familiar with Jahshii and the music, and see, let's just let y'all know what other dancehall music is out there, because this was all about, if there's a song I feel like, you know, a lot of people don't know about, I'm gonna do reviews on it, whether it's old or not, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna bring, so just in case, for instance, maybe my people from Germany or England haven't heard this as yet, you know what I'm saying, or from Italy, as in, you know, to give them a chance, you know what I'm saying? So just like I listen to drill music from all over the world, just in case people in Jamaica haven't heard it, they can hear it, or people in the Caribbean, as you know. So that's what this channel is all about. But today I'm over there with a tune from Jahshii, the one named Born Fighter or Born Fighter. I'm gonna check it out and see what's going on. See if it's a hit or a miss. You already know what time it is. We're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer, people. This is Jahshii, Born Fighter. Let's get it. Where did they sample that from, bro? I really want to know where that sample came from, because that's a very famous song that part came from. Voice Nation, wow, God. Yeah, man. Even the beginning of the beat that you're about to hear, that little, you know, song from the
it, no. It ain't easy, believe me. Them want you keep it truth as a secret. The people need it, reveal it.
Man say, yo, it no easy, believe me. Them want you keep the truth as a secret. The people need it, reveal it. Yo, that's a powerful start to a song, yo. That's a powerful start to a song, bro. Jahshii, what is the truth? Why truth, Jahshii? Tell me.
We are the future, can't defeat we.
We are the future, can't. The man not there. The man only speaking facts right now.
Ghetto youth life have meaning.
Every ghetto youth life have meaning. Come on.
Emotion I run wild and really. Right now me joining, I'm a feeling.
Emotion I run while I'm feel right now. Me and joining, I'm feeling. Bro, yo, listen. I need y'all to really listen to each word that's coming out of this man's mouth right now, yo. These are some powerful words this guy is saying. He's not talking no folly right now. You know what I'm saying? Just listen, man.
Floridian. Come and know brighter days appear when it's time clear.
The man said, Jaja fall rain. Come and know brighter days appear when the storm clear.
And now you will be the light where you guide me in the dark days. Forgive my past, oh Lord, it make my heart pain.
Man say, yo, are you a guide me? You are the light that guide me through the dark days. I want to know if you really listen to this song, you know, man.
Protect my soul, cause them want put it on sale. Talk to me, them just kill my friend, now what them want to me. Out of it, no see nobody fi argue with. But man a band fighter, me them can't bully.
Man a band fighter, me them can't bully. Come in now.
Wally, Papa was in the prayers and song for me. Triumphant, them think we can't do it.
Wally pa prayers, Wally pa powers in a prayers. And Psalms, mummy. Band fighter, them think me can't do it. Come in now.
Call me not this, but put my heart to it. Wally pa pressure, depression, me stay strong. Now give in to frustration. At the cream of the cup of frustration. Try again, now me never cause failure.
Open and listen to them tune and listen to how powerful these words is. Yo, with Jahshii, dog. Yo, my youth. For you coming third at Unruly Fest, me Jenna. You see me? Behind the Rasta and Quada. You see me? And if Quada come get bust before you, me Jenna. You see me? And then years later you come bust. And may I tell you that the power and the strength to you coming nah man, me G. Like you're chosen for this, you know. You see me? Then couldn't stop you. Win or no lose Unruly Fest, then couldn't stop you, me Jenna. Big man thing. You was chosen for this, may I tell you.
And the more than just the fear we get braver. When I get a hero in a design for me jailer. Come and know brighter days appear when it's time clear. And now you will be the light where you guide me in the dark days. Forgive my past, oh Lord, it make my heart pain.
Easy no man, forgive me, pass, oh Lord, it make me heart pain. Easy.
Protect my soul, cause them want put it on sale. Bird for fight, you know my band firm. Life experience and no classwork. If you no get the lesson, then you can't learn. God give me blessing.
Life experience and no classwork. If you not get the lesson, then you can't learn.
Me no got church. Band fighter. I defeat.
Right there, where you do get baptized in your bathroom, me Jenna? For that I do, you know, Jahshii, a real youth, you know. Big man thing. Yeah, man, cause some people just go to church with baptized, so make this one bag a spectacle and they hype on them and fits people. But if I, you know what I'm saying? If I know your bathroom, you get baptized, me Jenna. Yeah, man. A real next time, cause you do it for the right purpose, you don't do it for the wrong reasons. You know what I'm saying?
This are the fittest survive. Yeah, the fittest are the fittest survive. Band fighter, strongest soldier get the fight. Strongest soldier get the fight. Band fighter. I know say a pressure bust pipe and a pressure build diamond. Pressure build First Nation.
The brother no eat First Nation and now man see you, man. Man say pressure bust pipe, pressure build diamonds, and a pressure build First Nation. Hey.
Automatic.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Big powerful tune this man. Jah. Big tune. Yeah, man. Big tune, Jahshii. Blouse and skirt. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. First Nation, big up yourself. DJ Mac, big up yourself. All of the whole production team pound they wanna big up on yourself, man. Real powerful tune, Jahshii, man. You keep it coming and don't stop me. G. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Real talented artist. Gifted youth. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, yo, like, it hard these. Everybody got a lot to say, but ain't nobody really saying shit. You know what I'm saying? But Jahshii actually saying shit when I rap and I'm a DJ and when I say things that song them have meaning and power back at it, man. Yeah, man, no joke thing. Real powerful artists, real powerful youth. Yeah, man, I'm just love look on the dog and the really thing and him do the road. You know, it is constantly growing. Yeah, man, he's constantly growing. His music is growing. People give him the feedback and the acceptance. You know what I'm saying? And he can take it real far. Really talented youth. The youth, I'm feeling like the youth actually. The youth are blessed by God, man, for this. No joke. The youth have a message. You have something to say. Yeah, man. No joke. Watch it. Pay attention and see what I'm going to say. If everything when we say not come to pass. You know? But anyway. Yeah, man, people, real dope track, real dope song, real dope artist. You know, think in the comment section, drop the emojis, you know, fire garbage, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you like, whether it's the video, the lyrics, the melody, the beat. You know what I'm saying? The style, everything, the visuals. Let me know what is it you like. Definitely the like button on my video. Help my channel grow. Help get my videos out there. Definitely go show this artist some love and support. Let him know that Jambisco sent you. You already know what time it is, guys. Let me know what you want me to react to next and what you want to see on the channel, and I'll definitely get that done for you, okay? But yeah, man, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Once again, it's your boy Jambisco. I was here, then I hit and I smash and I bang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.